House, apartment for rent, pinapaupang bahay. Open, vacant, and ready for occupancy. Townhouse, up and down, with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. House apartment, nakatiles na ang flooring, bagong pintura. Yes, store. Yes, pwedeng magtindahan. Yes, kids. Yes, pets allowed. And yes, parking. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Malapit sa highway. May malapit na school at market. Yes, subdivision, good community, and flood-free location. Yes, house apartment, pinapaupahang bahay. Hello everyone! Para sa mga naghahanap ng bagong malilipatang pinapaupahang bahay, ito po yung vacant na house apartment for rent located in Bacoor City, Cavite. 8,000 pesos monthly. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Ito po yung vacant na house apartment, 8,000 pesos monthly. Location, Bacoor City, Cavite. Up and down na bahay with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong i-upload na bagong video. Marami pa po tayong iba pang mga house and apartment. Ito po yung under renovation. Yes, kung mapapansin sa video, ito po yung kusina, yung bathroom. Under renovation, pinapapinturahan po ito ngayon, pinapaganda yung bahay. Ito po yung actual and updated video. At kung gusto nyo bisitahin para makita nyo itong bahay, pwede naman po anytime. House apartment in Molino, Bacoor City, Cavite with 2 bedrooms. May built-in cabinets na rin at may provision para sa window type na aircon. Yes, maganda yung bahay at maganda ang location. Very affordable at very accessible. And yes guys, maraming salamat ulit sa pagbisita dito sa ating page. Ito po yung vacant na house apartment sa Molino, Bacoor City, Cavite. 8,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Under renovation. Vacant na rin po ito at pwede nang malipatan kaagad. And open anytime for viewing. And stay tuned. Marami pa po akong ipopost na iba pang mga vacant na house apartment. Gagawa na lang po natin ng iba pang mga video. So ito lang po muna. House apartment for rent, 8,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms. Located in Bacoor City, Cavite.